What? Oh, wow, you guys caught me. I was just about to use the toilet. Haha, joking. What's up guys? Welcome again to Tech World Travel and Reviews. Today we are reviewing a toilet, not just any toilet seat. It is the smartest toilet seat I've ever seen, and this toilet seat can do it all. It's like launching a spaceship every time you go to the bathroom. And this toilet seat was sent to me by a really cool company that I'm partnering with this video to take my bathroom to the next level of intelligence. The company is called Sanypace. You can see there, Sanypiace. And they sent me this toilet seat to give it an honest, authentic review. I'll be setting this up today, showing you what it's like to use a toilet seat that can do it all. And what a luxury to have a toilet seat that can do it all. That includes things like heated seat, automatic opening and closing of the toilet seat. And I know the wives that's watching this video will know exactly what I mean. Night light, drying features, which allows you to dry your bum when you finish using the toilet seat. I can't even imagine I'm saying these words right now. But this has it all. Once you're done in the toilet doing whatever you do, your bum will feel as clean as a whistle. I guarantee that. And after using this toilet seat, I don't even know how you go back to using a regular dumb toilet. So today, I'm going to show you how quick this install is. It takes literally minutes, no heavy installation. Anyone can do it. No need to remove your entire toilet. It just goes on top of your existing toilet, and you'll be able to do this in really fast time. I'll show you how to install it. I'll show you the features of this toilet seat, and I might even try it out myself. Let's find out. And I want to hear from you. Can a toilet seat actually change your life? Does it make going to the bathroom even better? Leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. All right, so here we are. We are going to unbox this. The room here is kind of tight, but we'll make it work. Alright, so my first impression was just truly excitement. This is super easy. Installation was such a breeze. I could do this in under 20 minutes, and it does make your bathroom or your toilet look luxurious. I think this is transformational. If you're looking to spice up your bathroom toilet, this is the exact toilet that you want to get. Rather than completely removing your toilet, a really quick solution here is the smart intelligent toilet seat from Sanypace. Oh, let's talk about features. That's what everyone really cares about, let's be honest. So this toilet seat has tremendous features. First off, once you install it, that beautiful glowing light is just remarkable. It does have that night light that is activated all the time to make sure you get a really peaceful experience when you are in the bathroom or using the toilet. The second, the temperature is awesome. The heated seat is just warm and soothing for your butt. It is just fantastic, and it makes the experience a lot more enjoyable. Heated seat can be controlled by the remote control, which I have right here. Also, you can set it as a seasonal control, so it will adjust based on season, We know in winter times you want a more warm experience. Summer you probably don't need a warm toilet seat, but you can have that controlled right on the control here where it says seasonal temperature, which is pretty cool. Next up, we gotta talk about the drying experience. Yes, your toilet seat self-dries, which is pretty cool. It provides a really nice airflow there where you need it the most and helps with drying, which is fantastic. Next up is the bidet. The bidet is just seamless. The bidet is not visible, it's retracted when you don't need it, and when you need it, you can select the bidet here, and there's different flow. You have high flow, medium flow, low flow on the bidet. You can adjust the height to your desired location, and most importantly, it's self-clean, so no need for you to go and try to clean the bidet. It does have water flow that cleans the bidet, which is pretty awesome. That is, I mean, you gotta admit that. We also have some really cool features here on the remote control. I mean, look at it. It is like the Tesla of toilet seat. You have a little display right here which tells you like temperature and what settings you're currently on, and then you have all these luxurious like features you can turn on. I think it's pretty cool to try out. The first feature here is the hip clean movement. This is pretty cool. It does have the motion of cleaning where you need it to be cleaned. Next we have the female hygiene cleaning, which is pretty cool. If you have females in your family, this is a really cool feature to try out. And favorite feature of them all is the drying. This is a nice way of using your toilet, getting a little cool air, warm air there to dry you up so you feel nice and clean, and you can use your imagination what I am referring to. Then we have the manual control for the toilet seat. So the first one here is to lift the cover up, and then the bottom one is to lift the seat up. Men typically forget to lift the seat up, so it is a trap for women. Now you can actually just press the button there, so you don't need to touch the seat, women. You can just press this button and the seat comes up, and if you want to just close the lid, you can press this button and it closes the lid. This is manual adjustment. It also auto adjusts, so you actually don't need to use this. This is only if you need to manually override the auto adjustment. It does have a sensor built in on the seat, so it does detect when someone gets up, the seat will close and the cover will close. So it's pretty automatic in that sense. You have the self-cleaning. This just brings down the bidet and it cleans the bidet, which is very useful. And then we can adjust the pressure of the bidet. So the bidet has different pressure that you can adjust. You can go high, low, and there's a plus and negative button here that you can press to toggle between your desired bidet flow, which is pretty cool. Also have the night light setting right here. So this is just turning on and off the night light. I love the night lighting on this toilet seat. Just keep that on, it's really nice. Also there's an eco mode, so if you want to just consume less energy, because this is plugged into an outlet, you can press the eco mode and then it does only use the power when it really needs the power, and it just dial down how much consumption energy it uses. And next up here, these three, we have the airflow, the water flow, and the temperature. Now you just walk away and the seat covers closes itself. Tremendous, tremendous, tremendous. Saves a lot of marriage, I guarantee that. Never thought I would say this sentence. Overall, the experience feels more hygienic and modern, and it just fits with our whole automated world that we live in, and this is exactly what I needed in my smart home. I think this is the #1 smart home device or appliance that you need in your house. I can't think of anything that screams more luxurious and hygienic at the same time than a smart, intelligent toilet seat that everyone will be using in a house. This product does have that wow experience. I guarantee you, once you have this in your house, you'll have a lot of people just come into your house to experience your toilet seat. I've had several people use this toilet seat in the last couple of days, and I kid you not, many of them have requested the link to purchase this toilet seat. So just for you, I'll have the link of this toilet seat in the description. You can click on that link and go check out all the toilet seat here that is sold by Sunny Pace website. they do have smart intelligent toilet, and I will be putting my hand up to get one of those smart intelligent toilet and install that and give you a review about the Sanipace smart intelligent toilet soon. This is so much fun, it's surprisingly good, and I believe this is going to transform your experience. I can't recommend this enough, and I know a lot of people are nervous about bringing tech into the bathroom, but this is the right tech that you need. It's clean, it's modern, it's hygienic, and it does have that wow factor. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my smart toilet seat. Let me know in the comments below, would you install a smart intelligent toilet seat that can do all the features that I listed? And do you know someone that would love a smart intelligent toilet seat? Leave a comment below, let me know, and maybe we can get some giveaways for the smart intelligent toilet seat in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video, and we'll see you on the next smart home adventure.